Alright, let's do this. I start cutting the leftover plywood on my table saw. All I had to buy for this project was half-inch plywood for the drawers. If you were wondering what kind of plywood is this is a 3/4 inch maple cabinet grade plywood. After I cut all the pieces on my table saw, I edge bend all the exposed edges using the regular iron. Hey guys, I make DIY woodworking and home improvement project. So if you're getting value out of this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. If you ask me why am I using the edge trimmer only on one side, it's because I wasn't getting the clean cut when I was using the both side at the same time. I don't know if the blade is too old or maybe I'm not squeezing the trimmer properly. So by using only one side, that gave me a nice and clean cut. With that being said, I'm using the pocket hole joinery system to connect the side. After that, I quickly sand everything down with 220 grit sandpaper before jointing the box. I used the box corner clamp to lift it up from the table, and I used this square to help me keep the true 90 degree of the box. I still clamped the side before putting the pocket hole screws because I didn't want the pocket hole screws to move anything. Oh yeah, when you have the right tools, it sure does make your job easier and gives you better result. As you can see, this box is dead on 90. After being proud for a couple minutes of myself, I connect the back support using the pocket hole screws again. I'm going to have a free sketch of build plan for you guys. Just watch this video until the end and I will tell you how to get it. I carefully attach the middle divider using the pocket hole screws. Just FYI, none of the pocket hole screws are visible when you look at the nightstand. After that, I start cutting the tops. I'm trying something different on this project. I bought the dowel jig online and I start drilling holes. I did this to make my job easier to stain and put the top coat. This was probably the scariest part of the project. I didn't want to waste the top simply because I didn't have any more plywood on hand. I sure took my time before marking the dowel holes on the top. Thanks to God, everything went like I wanted. I did dry fit to just to make sure everything goes in properly. Okay, so pretty much the box of the nightstand is done. All I need is the drawers. I start cutting the half-inch plywood using the straight edge and my circular saw. Building drawer boxes has always been one of my biggest challenges until I saw something on YouTube that made this task so easy and simple. You guys should definitely try this. Alright, I'm going to shut up and let you guys enjoy the process. Alright, you see how easy that was? Once you get the inside measurement, just cut it to the length and start connecting it. I'm using a pocket hole joinery system here, but you can do it with the glue and a pin nail. Before putting the bottom panel, I decided to do the test fit to make sure everything is square and the slide feels really smooth, which it did on the first try. After that, I cut the bottom panel on my table saw. So I connect the bottom panel with the lots of screw. Now I think it's probably too much. But oh well, it's better to have more than less, right? Now we are almost done building. Now it's time to cut the front face for the drawers. Once I was done cutting, I did edge band all the side before installing to the drawers. Okay, so I could not find my playing card, so I decided to use my business card to get the front face aligned. And also I could not find my freaking double-sided tape, so I had to use a pin nail to hold the front face while I screw them together. I'm not going to bore you with the staining process, so let's go ahead and jump to installation of the top. If you ask me why I didn't put the top before, it's because it would be harder to stain and put the clear coat, that is why. Good thing about building your own furniture is that you can do whatever you want. I wrote a message under the top panel before putting the clear coat. Hopefully one day my kids can see it. Before you say, oh, that dowel is not strong enough to hold the top, don't worry friends, I put about 4 pocket hole screws from the back and that thing is not going anywhere after it gets installed to the wall. Now this nightstand is done. I'm using a French cleat system to hang it to the wall. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Alright friends, until next time, take care.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.